What's up, you guys? Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Today's look is going to be inspired by Choi, one of my favorite artists ever, actually. She is like the queen of all illusions. She blows your mind with every look that she turns out. And this look in particular is a perfect look for Halloween. So, without further ado, let's chop me up.
Alright, Daniel, thank you for the cheesy transition line. Like I said earlier, this is a recreation from my friend Choi. She is a Canadian makeup artist. Of course, I'm not going to do it as good as her, but we are going to try. This is a very simple color by number makeup look, just like yesterday's. All you're going to need is red, black, white, and I think that's it, actually. So, as you can see, I've already mapped out where we are going to create our cuts in our body, and I'm starting to fill in with color. The red is a cream color, and the black is a water-activated paint. I think it's Mayron Paradise paints, actually. So I'm going in with the black to fill in all of the hollow areas to create the illusion. That's really the trick here. If you can get the black to look like an illusion, then you are solid. As for the rest of it, we just have to make it look like we are chopped into pieces. So get the black as opaque as you can, and as for the red, we're going to add some highlight with a white cream-based paint. With the white makeup, we have to be very careful. This is just a simple highlight in the red zone. We don't want to make it oversaturated with white makeup everywhere because then it's going to take us out of the illusion. To also add to the illusion, I'm going in with a clean makeup brush and blending out those white blueprint lines that we established at the very beginning of the makeup look. We still want there to be a white highlight, but we don't want it to be a harsh white line. So just blend it down or blend it upward, whatever direction it needs to be. And the last touch, we are going to put a dab of blood. Be very careful because YouTube can demonetize your video for blood. So we're just going to use this very lightly. And you're done!
Wow, I'm feeling a bit chopped up. If you guys liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, because guess what? I am doing 31 days of Halloween, so each and every day of October you will see a new makeup tutorial. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye!